Hi, welcome to my crowdfunding page. My name is LTHuddon and I want to share with you my knowledge and experience in this video, which has given me such pleasure for 62 years of professional jewelry designing. Recently, I've retired here in Thailand, and there is now an urgency to complete my tutorial for jewelry designing. At the age of 79, I wish to publish a set of idea books, all based on my original artwork. I also plan to release a materials catalog and a series of tutorial videos demonstrating my design method. Any funds we receive in this effort will make it possible to reach children in schools worldwide, and hopefully, if we can reach our goal, produce an app and an ebook which will launch on various platforms. I will need legal assistance to make sure my intellectual property is protected under my name, LTHuddon, and to contribute to the expenses of my small staff. I want to share my experience and knowledge both to the digital approach and the understanding of importance of the human touch. Hi, this is Larry. Your contributions will be essential to promote my design tutorial. At the same time, you will help educate a new generation of jewelry designers. Art is alive in most children, and I believe it's important for them to explore and discover their creativity. What have you got to lose? Let's achieve this together. If you contribute to our cause, you will receive our idea book, which we can send to you online. If you contribute $100 or more, you will receive an idea book, the materials catalog, plus access to our tutorial videos. Thank you sincerely for your kind attention.